welcome back to the channel. Today we continue with the video that last time I stopped at this time. Tips time! Stop! Hope you will enjoy. Today we finish the work and why not? Comment, like and subscribe. I say you also thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the video. Tips time! This I reused to put all the screws in their bags, opened and with a tape scotch attached here. Here they're open, so I have always my spare screws. In case I lost them, I find very quickly and I don't have a mess around on the table. Very useful! And this is the best one I ever seen. It works perfectly. And step 80 was mainly on the side doors. These are also a masterpiece with the strap, windows that opens, compass perfectly, the door handle I already told you, the wiring for the electronics, first two connection, yes, the steering with no grease or oil is perfectly working. Suspension, battery compartment, switch on off. Great model. I continue to say great. Oh, I'm very happy, fantastic, but how can't you say this? Okay, up to 90. And this is what we have at step 90. It's fantastic. The doors are mounted. This works perfectly. The strap to hold the door. We have the steering wheel, all the dashboard with instruments, lights, lot of things. Then we have this door finished. We have the rear mirror, wipe washers, lamps, front lamps. Is coming up and we can do something. This fantastic. Look at this. And wheels running. This is one of the best. No, this is the best one I ever made. This is super. Very well engineered. No problems. Yes, it's not so easy, but with calm and thinking at what are you doing, no problems. Look at here. Okay, up to 100, for 90 to 100. We have made a lot. We have all these completed with these opening windows. Now here is not assembled completely because we have to put the interior panel. We have one door, 2, 3 doors. This rear opening, fantastic. Look at the quality. And we have also the bonnet opening here. We have mounted all the rear part. Yes, this, the fuel. Oh, it doesn't open anymore. Never force things when they seems that they don't work. Perhaps there is a reason. And fantastic, wonderful. Don't you want a real one to go around for Europe? I do. I really do. Great job, great work. Thanks to the Agostini. In this case, this editor made a great thing. Here there's something that doesn't matches exactly. Perhaps, well. Ah, yes, because 100 is this. Ta-da! Yes, now it's to see how to put it on, I think, like this. And this keeps everything together. Then we have 20 issues to do. It's quite a lot. Here we are at 110. 10 issues more to do, and we have a lot of things. This you have already seen, but it's fantastic how they work. And these too. 1, 2. There is something, little things to... so, now it's okay. And we have the strap, we have the door, we have the fuel. Attention. We have the back door that opens. Quite a great work. The roof opens and closes perfectly. And what else? A lot of screws. There are really so many details, so many things to mount. First rear light with 2 LEDs. We call it stop, the brake signal. My friends, 10 more to do. This has to be mounted, the inner panel on this side, and then the great moment, put on the wheels. Tip time! You can use one of these plastics protection for the metal pieces or glasses and so on for your screws. You have the name of the screw and the screw into the little bowl, so it's more easy to work. On this model I have to make my best compliments for the wiring display into the chassis. This is the best one I have ever made, and believe me, I have quite an experience as I've made more than 30 of these models. But this is the best one. If you can catch it, buy it. And here we are at step 113. We proceed to the marriage. We have mounted the interiors inside the car with some screws, and now I have connected all the wiring, except for this one that it is too short, so it will be a little tricky when I turn down the body to connect that. Anyhow, perhaps it would be nice before closing to have a check. So put battery here inside, switch on, and then try to reach some maybe from here to reach down there the pedal and to check if everything works. I think that I will do this because until it's opened I can try to find a solution for some problems that maybe happen, but when it's closed it's a little bit difficult. Battery in, switch on, and we have these lights. Unfortunately, they are a little bit too blue. I preferred yellow because old lamps were yellow. On the rear, this is not working because I have to connect to the wire. This, it's not so nice because also the yellow part takes light. Other functions are here inside. I have to reach the pedals. I want to hear the engine sound. Push. Whoa, 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 whoa. As I leave the pedal, it stops. So it's just to see something like. And the other one, you can see from there. These are the brake signal. In Italy we call stoplight. Perhaps also in English. And we have 1, 2, 3. No switch on off lights. It's very basic, but easy is better than complicated. Switch off, no sounds, nothing, but it works. And this is the last operation. Finished! Look at this. And here we are. The mythical Volkswagen Samba is finished. What do you think? It has been a very long and nice work, full of features, real opening doors, real, also this and this, baggages. This is a surf table, seats working. This I showed you before. Steering working. You have to turn a lot, but it steers. Wah, wah, wah. Okay. Lights, sound, engine sound. This is fantastic. 1 and 2. This moves too. Let's put gasoline and go to have a nice weekend. I forgot. Also the roof is opening. Roof. Sorry for my hand. And from above, the same thing. This is really a very nice model. Perhaps if I put in this way, it's a little bit better. Close. For the records, this is all the plastic I received with the pieces. Well, 120 issues, more than 1 year, 2 years to have this plastic. My friends, I think it's not a lot, but I remember, never throw plastic in our environment. Not too much. And paper, a little bit. Not too much, also paper. And so, my friends, also this adventure is arrived at the end. Unfortunately, this is not for me, but it's part of my multiple work. This is for the Agostini owner. He has a room and he wants all the pieces they have made. And it has been a pleasure to mount it. It's been a pleasure to have you watching my video. So it would be a more bigger pleasure if you comment, if you like, but overall if you subscribe, and I thank you for this. But the good news is that I have another one, and that I will do for myself, for my own satisfaction, fantasy, collection and happiness. Happiness is what I wish to you all. Money and happiness. Fantastic. Also health. But as they say in Naples, and with this word I say you goodbye, money are not everything. But without money, what a shitty life. Bye bye.